Hello viewers, let's fix the problem of auto start of app or multiple apps every time you start your window. As you see now, the browser automatically opens and also open tabs which is not required. So press from your keyboard Ctrl Alt Delete and disappear task manager selected. Now a window like this will appear and click this icon so startup apps would be visible. Now right click on the app which auto start at every start of your window and choose disable. Now it won't appear with your next restart, or if you required you can right click and enable an app if that is required to start at the start of the window. And if you are not sure about any app, so right click and search online, and now the browser will show the detail about the app you want to know. Hope you like. Thanks for watching.